Hey everyone! So today in this video we're going to have a look at how you can create your own Windows installation media by using a USB and by downloading the installation media basically. It's all free, and with it you can, in theory, download Windows 10 for free afterwards. I'll do a little talk after I'm done, but for now let's just swap to me being on my computer and walking through the process of downloading the media. Alright, so first thing you do is download the Create Windows 10 Installation Media, the tool for it. So you click download now. I've already downloaded it. You get it from this site up here. I'll have it linked down in the description below. But once you have it downloaded, I've downloaded it to my YouTube folder in my documents. You just double click it. Pretty standard right there. Drag it over. Let it get itself ready. You do need, I'm pretty sure it's stated you need a USB stick with 8 GB of free space. I believe that it will delete everything on the stick, but I could be wrong. So I'm using a 16 GB USB stick. Click accept. You've got to click accept, really. And we'll get to this screen and it gives the options of upgrade this PC now or create installation media. We want to create installation media. Use recommended options for this PC is selected. I'm just going to click next. USB flash drive, it needs to be at least 8 GB. That's easy enough to do. There's my only USB flash drive. And quite literally now, all we do is wait. It will download Windows 10 and put it on the flash drive, and we are fully able of continuing to use our PC as normal. So that's it. That's how you go about downloading the media. All it is now to do is that when you build a computer, you want to reinstall Windows for whatever reason, you just plug the USB stick into the rear I/O and off you go. Like any other USB style installation media that Windows does themselves. Now, like I said, with this you can get Windows for free, very, very simply. And the steps that you go through, you just do all the normal steps, and then when it asks you for a products key, there'll be a option, I think it'll be down in the bottom right corner of the window, of skip this for now. And if I remember, you gotta do that twice, so there'll be 2 times where the Windows install will go, hey look, I need a products key, and you can go, it's alright, just skip this for now. So you'll get Windows 10 for free, you'll get updates for a year, I'm pretty sure. And if memory serves me correctly, it's supposed to be as well that you won't have a watermark for that first year, but afterwards you won't get any updates. You will have a watermark that says activate Windows now. Although in all honesty, I have downloaded or installed more so Windows this way, and right off the bat I had the watermark. So I'm not quite sure about that watermark thing, if memory serves me correctly, but the definite you do get a year's worth of updates as well, included with that free year. So yeah, that's in all honesty pretty simple. Now I want to talk about how long it took me to download the media, because it states that you download it. And firstly, I am on a 15 megabits per second at the most for my internet speed for downloading. So generally I get around 44, 40, maybe to 46 megabits per second. So in theory, because you're downloading, internet speed will have an impact as to how fast the process will be. But for me, I downloaded it in 2 hours and 7 minutes. So it does take some time. So yes, I'm excited because I'm actually going to use this Windows install USB that I've made for an upcoming build I'm doing for my parents. They need a new computer. It's a bit of a mismatched PC parts wise, but I'm going to get to that in a later video. I want to talk through my process of why I intentionally mismatched it. So that'll come up in a later video. But yep, I'm excited for it. I've got actually a couple more videos just for this one PC. I'm not planning on doing a how to install Windows video. There's plenty of them, and I don't have a screen capturing device as much as I use OBS. So for me to capture that footage of me installing Windows, I would have to use the camera, which would suck. Don't forget to like this video. Also subscribe to me to keep up to date for when I upload more content, especially the why on earth did I part out Mismatched PC. Different, isn't it? But yeah, thank you all for watching. See ya.